Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to do a reading lesson with you for Wednesday, April 22nd. Okay, so we've been studying rabbits, and hopefully you've had a chance to watch those links that I shared to the class story that Mrs. Osra put together for us. The videos about rabbits that you need to watch and listen to are on those links. Let's start off by practicing our Little Bunny Foo-Foo song. Okay, get ready to be Little Bunny Foo-Foo. Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping 'em on the head. And down came the blue fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. I'm going to give you 2 more chances. And if you do that again, I'll turn you into a goon. Uh-oh. But Little Bunny Foo-Foo didn't listen. Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping 'em on the head. And down came the blue fairy, and she said, Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and popping 'em on the head. Now I'm going to give you 1 more chance, and if you do that again, I'll turn you into a goon. But Little Bunny Foo-Foo still didn't listen. Little Bunny Foo-Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping 'em on the head. Uh-oh. What do you think's happening? Down came the blue fairy, and she said, Little Bunny Foo-Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping 'em on the head. You disobeyed me many times, so now, poof, you're a goon. Uh-oh. Bunny Foo-Foo is a goon, so make your goon face. There. Poor Bunny Foo-Foo, but he didn't listen, so he had a consequence. All right. So that's our Little Bunny Foo-Foo song. Hopefully you're able to follow along with that at home. I think it's in your packet. If not, you can always just watch me and learn the words. Vocabulary, we talked about it this week. We have the word nibble. The picture shows a rabbit nibbling, chewing something really tiny. Show me how you nibble. Another word that I don't have a picture for that's similar to nibble is gnaw. Gnaw is when an animal chews on something. Like a mouse might gnaw on some cheese. A rabbit might gnaw on a carrot. Next we have burrow. A burrow is like a den. It's a little hole that a rabbit hides in and sleeps in, down in the ground usually. Okay, burrow. Pellets. We talked about rabbits' food being little round pieces that are pellets. Floppy. Some types of rabbits have floppy ears that hang down and they're kind of loose. Anything that hangs kind of loose is floppy. The blue fairy, which is Miss Skinner's mermaid, her hair is kind of floppy. The pet rabbit that Mrs. Skinner had floppy ears. Active. Active is really busy and wiggly. If you like to move around and play a lot, you are active. Rabbits are very active. kit. A baby bunny is called a kit. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. So if you haven't had a chance to listen to that nonfiction link about rabbits, you should do that because the questions go along with that link. How does the author, the person who wrote the story, how does the author describe rabbits? So you're going to listen to that and figure out how the author is describing rabbits. What is he or she saying about them as far as how they look and act? Compare and contrast. Compare means you point out things that are the same. Contrast means you point out what is different. Compare and contrast kits, baby bunnies. I'll show you a picture again. Kits with other baby animals that we've learned about. We learned about baby penguins, baby polar bears, baby reindeer. I know we've learned about those. So think about what is similar between a kit, a baby rabbit, and other baby animals. And then also think about what is different about a baby rabbit and other baby animals. Maybe they live in different types of homes. Maybe their bodies are different. Maybe they live in different places. Okay. Glossary. What is a glossary? We've talked about that before. So think and see if you can remember what a glossary is. Glossary. It's a hard word and it's okay if you don't remember. But a glossary is like a mini dictionary that's usually in the back of a nonfiction book. Here's a glossary. A glossary has a word and its meaning. So like right here, the word active is in here. Active, busy doing lots of things. And this book also has a little picture. Antlers, it has the word antlers and then what antlers means. And we learned about antlers earlier in the year. They're similar to horns. Okay, so this is a glossary. It's like a small dictionary. Okay, this is from our reindeer book that we read about back in December. We read this. Okay, so that's what a glossary is. Next, you have a page in your packet that looks like this. At the top, it says, illustrate a lively rabbit and something a rabbit can gnaw on. Okay, a lively rabbit. So you would draw a picture. Lively is similar to active. They're jumping around a lot, moving a lot, playing a lot. Rabbits love to play. Lively and gnaw. Remember, gnaw, I said, is like similar to nibble when they chew on something. Lively rabbit and something a rabbit can gnaw on. There's a lot of things that rabbits like to chew on, gnaw on. So you draw those pictures. Okay? So remember, you can use pencil or crayon. If you're going to use marker, ask Mom and Dad to make sure you're sitting at a place that's okay to use marker. And take your time, draw lots of nice details, okay? All right, see you later.